Hiya guys, welcome to another video. So we've got a few AliExpress bits that I want to share with you today. To start with, we have got this new mat, desk mat. I just thought it makes a really nice background for my videos. And we've also got this new recording light. Guys, this light is amazing. It is so bright. It's a really, really good light. That's where the controls are. So one of them controls the brightness and the other one controls whether you want it warm, whether you want it cool. That changes the tone of the light. So we've got that new light. Next up, we have got this Boslin Polygel, colour 001. And I think if I remember rightly, this is their white. Yeah, so this is a bright, bright white. It looks really creamy and opaque, doesn't it? I have used the Boslin Polygel before and I love it. So I'm just trying to show you here. You get 30ml in these tubes, and this is supposed to be henna free. So that is the ingredients there. I can't see any sign of henna. So yeah, this is supposed to be a henna free polygel. Like I say, I have used Boslin Polygel before and I really enjoyed using it. It's not sticky. It was really nice to use. Next up, we've got this pack of 500 nail tips. So these are half well tips, you know, the free edge nail tips. And they are in the shape stiletto. I really like the shape of these. I have got some stiletto free edge tips, but I just don't like the shape of them. These are so much nicer. Look at that shape. A really nice crisp stiletto. Can't wait to try them. So you get a pack of 500. I think sizes 0 to 9. They were really cheap as well. Next up, we have got this 2.0 matte top coat. Now, this 2.0 matte top coat, I just want to try and show you the ingredients there. Not sure if you can see that very well. It's not very clear on my screen. So yeah, this 2.0 matte top coat, what it is, it's a non-stick top coat. So you know, if you want to use chrome over the top of a matte background, you use this matte and the chrome doesn't stick to it. Really cool product. So this says wash free painting gel, but what it actually is like, you know, the pat paint, the kind of it's like a really thick gel paint, and you use it with a sponge to do ombres, and they're really, really pigmented. That's what this is. So you get 4 colours in this one. I think there was different colour options available on the listing as well, guys, but I just wanted one that had a black and a white and a nice base colour, like a nude of some kind. And then to use with that, we've got this one. Now this one is so cool. I'm just trying to show you here. It's got like a shimmery surface. The label on the top is like shimmery. It's really hard to show with this light. So these are the colours, and this is how it comes when it first turns up. So all the gels have got like a cover over them. Well, it's more like a sticker wrapped around them with the colour numbers on. Again, that is really shimmery as well, but I don't know whether my camera's going to be able to pick that up. I don't think so. So what I might do is, I think I'm going to remove all these and we'll take a look at the colours. So all you do is you pull them out like that, and they come in like little pods. And you just pull that label off like that. Get rid of it. And then just slot it back in the palette like that. So I'll do the others off camera and then we'll come back and take a look at all the colours. So that's all the labels removed, and that is all the colours. Some really cool colours there, isn't there? It's a little bit of everything. You've got some bright colours there, you've got some autumn shades there, some winter shades. So I just want to show you here what the consistency is like. Can you see it's a really, really thick consistency? Quite stringy. And it's super, super opaque. So I can't wait to try using some of this, doing some ombres. So we have got that palette as well. Now that's everything from the AliExpress haul, guys. Now I've got a few bits from a lovely buddy of mine called Emma. And she sent me over some really cute little bits. And she also bought me a couple of bits when she come over as well. And this is one of them. So this is a mould to use with my resin. Really, really cute mould, isn't it? And it's a mould where you can make key rings out of. Love it. She's also sent me some stamping plates. So this is one of them. It's got all different chain links. It's really unusual. I like it. We've got this one, which has got all bits of writing on. Loads of different writing. There's a heart on there as well. We've got this one called Mother Nature. This is a Moyu stamping plate. Look at that. That tree is beautiful, isn't it? There's some butterflies on there, some birds. Love the fox, love the deer. Really, really pretty plate. I need to do more stamping because every time I have done it, which is not very often, I've really enjoyed it. And then lastly, we've got this one. So this is all different textures, I'd say. It's really, really unusual. I've not got anything like that. Look at that. It's cool. Next up, we've got a set of gels in pots. These pots are really nice. I like these. Now, I think, if I remember rightly, there's 10 of these pots. And wait until you see these, guys. They are so pretty. Yeah, so we've got 10 pots. And they are super glittery. But they're not just glitter inside. They've got like gold leaf shards. You know, like foil leaf in there. Like foil leaf shards. Oh, my days. Look at that. Holographic or what? That is like a disco in a pot, isn't it? It's stunning. All of them are the exact same, just different colours, but obviously the same things inside. So they're all full of holographic glitter and holographic shards. Look at that. Gorgeous colour. Beautiful. So I'm not going to look through all of them, guys, because like I say, the rest are pretty much the same, just different colours. So we have got them gorgeous 10 glitter pots. Next up, I don't know how you pronounce this brand, so I'm not even going to attempt it. But I have seen these on AliExpress and they look really, really nice gels. Super pigmented. As you can see, they've got my favourite brushes inside. Them arched brushes. Gorgeous bright colour pink. I love it. I think that's 005, or is it? No, 059. Cool, that was really hard to see, wasn't it? And then we have got these ones. Again, the same brand. I love these bottles. They're so cool. You've got the swatch in the lid as well, so you can swatch them if you like your swatches in the lid like I do. So I am going to give them a swatch once I've finished recording. And these are all super duper gorgeous metallic glitter gels. Really, really pretty. And again, she sent me a few different ones of these. So we've got this pretty pink one. We've got this gorgeous silver. Well, actually, it's not silver. It's a little bit of everything in there. Look at that. That's really unusual, isn't it? Gorgeous. Like a silver base colour with loads of different colour glitters inside. This one is a purple. Again, super pretty. I've got a really light pink one. That's cute. I really, really like these bottles, you know, guys. I think they're really pretty. And then we've got a... Oh, this one is not a glittery one. Now, this one is like a metallic pearly sort of colour. Like a nudie pink. It's a really nice colour, actually. I like that. We've got a blue glittery one. We've got a green glittery one. Yeah, I really like these bottles. I think I'm going to keep them on my desk. So, next up, they've got a couple of bits, what she bought me from a shop when she came over. So, we've got this really cool pumpkin-like glass mug, which I want to use in some of my pictures. It's well cool, isn't it? And then we got this well cool. I love this. Look at that. Look at the colour on that skull, guys. I want to keep that on my desk and I'm going to keep my brushes in it. He's well cool, isn't he? Look at the colour on him. Well smart. And now this she bought when she went on a cruise recently. Obviously she stopped off in Rhodes and she got me this. How pretty is that? I'm going to start using that as my palette. And then she got me this green catcher, look. I love it. How cute is that? So I'm going to pop that up above my desk. because my desk is in my bedroom. So yeah, I'm going to pop that up near my desk, right near the window. Love it. Thank you so much, chick. You are an absolute angel. I love all my goodies, and I can't wait to use some of them nail bits as well. So that is everything for my AliExpress and friend mail haul, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Everything that I showed you today from AliExpress, I'm going to leave links for in my description box below. So if there's anything that you've seen me show that you're interested in today, all you got to do is click the link. It will take you straight to the item. It's really, really easy to do. I have got some amazing discount codes for AliExpress as well, and they're not just new user discount codes, they are for anybody to use. So make sure you do take full advantage of those if you do decide to place yourself an order. I want to say a massive thank you to Emma. Thank you so much, chick, for all my gorgeous goodies. Can't wait to have a little play with everything. Thank you so much, chick. I love them. Love them. So that is the end of today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel and you want to see me using some of these bits and bobs, see what nail designs we can come up with using some of these bits, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell and click all. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.